Hello and welcome, everyone. Thank you for visiting the AutoCAD Electrical training course on my channel Tech N. In this video, we discuss about adding title block to the A3 size sheet custom template. If you don't want to miss out any step, watch this video to the end. Subscribe to Tech N and click the bell icon to be notified about the latest videos. So, let us begin. We have already opened the A3 size custom sheet template that we have created earlier. Click on Insert button in the Home tab of AutoCAD Electrical 2021. Now click on IEC_T block_A3 block to insert it in the drawing. Place this title block in the bottom right corner of drawing. In order to update the title block text, we write the descriptions in our project as well as in our drawing. After writing text in the description of project and drawing, we update the title block. Go to the Project tab and click on Title Block Setup. Now click on OK button. And select the title block. Update the project values one by one. After that, click on Drawing Values to update the values in title block. Click on OK button. Now click on Title Block Update button and select all the values we want to update in the title block. When the process is completed, the title block values are updated. Next step is to save this drawing with title block as drawing template so that it can be used at later stages for complete project. That is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe Tech N. Also press bell icon to be notified about the latest updates. Goodbye.